Hello again and welcome back to my channel. Now, over the last couple of weeks, I've not uploaded any new content to my YouTube channel. However, if you do follow me on social media, and there's links in the description, I have been a very busy boy indeed. The concrete slab for my garden room workshop has finally been put down, and I have been frantically working at getting the base constructed in order to then move on to installing the side wall modules. So on my day off today, I've been and ahhing about doing one of these for quite a while, but I've decided to do a Q&A or ask me anything, so please fire away. Now, I have enjoyed this kind of format from some of my YouTube friends, Carl Pope at Carl Pope Woodcraft and Keith Rag'n'Bone Brown and Carl Mr. Strawbite Workshop. So I thought I'd throw my hat into the ring and have a go myself. Now, please fire away. It can be about anything, and you can either ask me via the comments section down below, or I've got links to my social media in the description, and there's also an email address there if you'd like to get in touch that way. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to compile the questions over the course of this week, and I will return with a new video probably next weekend or maybe just after, to answer any questions that you may have. Now, I hope you're all keeping well. As ever, take care, look after yourselves, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.